Want to link your Android phone to Google Messages for web? In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process step by step. You'll learn how to pair your phone with your computer, sync your messages, and start texting from your browser in just a few minutes. Before linking your phone, make sure Google Messages is installed on your Android device and is set as your default messaging app. Also, confirm that both your phone and computer have a stable internet connection. Next, open your preferred web browser on your computer and visit the Google Messages for web page. As soon as the page loads, you'll see a QR code that you'll use to link your phone. Now, unlock your Android phone and open Google Messages. Tap your profile picture or menu in the upper corner, then select Device Pairing. This section lets you manage connections between your phone and your computer. Tap Scan QR code, then point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer. Within a few moments, the devices will connect automatically and your conversations will begin syncing. After linking is complete, you'll see your existing message threads appear on your computer. Open any conversation to confirm everything is working correctly. You can now send and receive messages from either device. If you ever need to remove your computer, simply return to device pairing on your phone. So from there, you can sign out of individual devices or disconnect them all whenever you want. And that's how you link your phone to Google Messages for web. Once the connection is set up, you'll be able to continue your conversations from your computer anytime without reaching for your phone. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and thanks for watching.